participants of this get-together. Good evening, sir. It is with joy the Yoruba community are here to say one or two words on what is happening in Gombe State right now, and maybe what is happening in Nigeria. And we're not going to go further without letting the world know that we've never had it so good. We never have a governor that truly loves the people in the true meaning of the word love. Then Alaji Muhammad Ibrahim. Believe you me, I can attest to the fact that our governor always want to know how people are faring. This is the only governor I know we will call an Oba, not the other way around. Some other governors will call them, they will not pick it. But this governor will call the Oba, how are people faring? I hope everybody is doing fine. What else do you want? What else do you want? And to the matter on ground now, what we can only say is that this is the handwork of the devil, and the devil is not only limited to Gombe State. The devil is living there, the devil is all around the country. There's a larger picture of people who doesn't want this country to stay together, and they want pocket of trouble here and there, so that they will achieve their end. But that is not good for all of us. Say, united we stand, divided we fall. The betterment, and there is no progress while there is no peace. We must make sure that we key into the agenda of the governor to make sure that we maintain the peace that we're enjoying in Gombe State, and make sure that we tell our people, see, there is one thing people don't know. Everything comes from God. He's the Alpha and the Omega. Whatever people plan, if you plan it and it succeeds, it is God's wish. If it did not succeed, it is still God's wish. So why should we fight with one another? For me, I know the okay? I'm sorry, MC. For me, I know the Tangali traditional institution is a traditional institution, not a religious institution. So why should it come to a religious area? It's just because some people are behind the trouble. And me, I know the Tangali person. Honestly, the Tangali person is a peace-loving person. But if you look at it very well, we will find that there are some wolves in sheepskins. Please, Your Excellency, I want you to critically look at this and make sure that only those who are the troublemakers are punished. In view of this, we want to implore you, Your Excellency. The curfew you placed on the local government was apt, and is still apt, and it's timely, and it saved a lot of life. But we want you to please tender justice with mercy, as the lawyers will say, please, because of the people, thousands of people who are not in the know to this trouble, and who may be affected one way or the other, please, we may please beg you to soften your stand on the curfew. May God bless everybody. Thank you very much.